everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. So the title of the song is called Bounce That by CHINGY. What's that? Hood Star. Alright, hope I pronounced it right. Alright, let's start. Alright guys, let's start. So this one is a little bit faster than the thing that we usually do. So yeah, so we start closing our feet together. You're gonna go back 1, cross 2, 3, 4. Step back 5 and 6. Copy? Then you're gonna go 7, 8. 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Down 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you need to lean back. 7 and 8. Okay, I did 2 8. Sorry. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5 and 6. Roll 8. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, in 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Continue. Next slide. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Hop. Side and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice countings, huh? Again. So we end up in, so from here, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry, the song is fast. 3, 4 next. 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, open, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Okay, again, from here, so 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, open, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Again, until there first. Let's start from the top. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Stay 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Yes. Continue. So this is 2. Body isolation. 3, 4. Side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Let's try. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Let's try from the top first. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 8, 7, 8. 1, 2. Open shoulder and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point to the front head. Ha, 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 ha. Next, last 2 8. From here, you're gonna go heel, knee, heel, knee. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just repeat this one. 5, 6. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue because this one is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. That's it. Good job. Let's do it one more time. The last part. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and away. 3, just forward. When you go back, anything. 2, 3, 4, 5. You throw it. 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Let's do it. Everything from the beginning. Already, girls? Are you ready? That's Agnes anyway. Someone is asking who's that. There's someone there, okay? It's not a shadow. Ready? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Ha. Open. Ha. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is getting fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 2, 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha. Kick away. Forward. Last 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Okay? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Stay safe.